Hey, you guys, it's Double Moms, and in today's episode, we're going to take a look at Zhongchao Inc., ticker symbol ZCMD, and Treasure Global Inc., ticker symbol TGL, two recent Asian reverse stock splits and low flow plays. But before we begin, if you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and set those notifications on so you don't miss any episodes, and like and share. Also, let me begin by saying that we are not financial or stock advisors, and we're not giving stock or financial advice. This episode is for entertainment purposes only. Da 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 da. Hey! Always do your own due diligence. Now, if you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description, and we pick a lot of bangers a lot of times. We called out AGBA pre-market yesterday, April 17th, and today, April 18th, 2024, before its parabolic run today, up 307%. We also had TIRX on our early watch list last night, April 17th, and we called it pre-market today, April 18th, 2024, before it ran up 275%. We also did a video review on this stock last night on April 17th. ZCMD, which is one of the stocks we're reviewing in this video, was called out in our private Discord today, April 18th, before it ran up 160%. And ISPC was called out for our private Discord members today, April 18th, before it ran up 157%. And finally, we called out BPTH in our early watch list yesterday, April 17th, and pre-market today, April 18th, before it ran up 128%. We are just made different, This is what we do, and the early bird gets the cash. By the way, we've also included a link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 380 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we read candlestick patterns, how we read key levels, how we use those critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you'll succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what's been working for us. So let's get right into it. First, with Zhongchao Inc., ticker symbol ZCMD, which is located in Shanghai, China. It is a publicly traded NASDAQ healthcare information services company with a $10.7 million market cap and 116 employees. Zhongchao Inc. provides healthcare information, education, and training services in the People's Republic of China. It offers online and on-site health information services, healthcare education programs, and healthcare training products, including clinical practice training, open classes of popular medical topics, case studies, academic conferences and workshops, continuing education and articles, short videos, and educational healthcare content. It serves enterprises, not-for-profit organizations, and medical journals, as well as healthcare professionals, nurses, doctors, and healthcare workers. The company was founded in 2012. Now, let's take a look at ZCMD's most recent news. On February 27, 2024, the company announced the approval of a proposed 1-for-10 share consolidation of the company's ordinary shares. The company's Class A ordinary shares began trading on a post-share consolidation basis on the NASDAQ Capital Market under the same symbol, ZCMD. The objective of the share consolidation was to enable the company to regain compliance with NASDAQ Marketplace Rule 555082 and maintain its listing on the NASDAQ market. So as of February 29th, 2024, every 10 Class A ordinary shares has been consolidated into one Class A ordinary share, and every 10 Class B ordinary shares has been consolidated into one Class B ordinary share. Now, it's also worth noting that the company's stock float is just 1.3 million shares. This is a very low float stock. Now, the price of ZCMD stock was pushed upward 160% today, and the price could potentially keep moving upward tomorrow if more volume or a news catalyst comes in. A continuation in price increase is very possible. We will be keeping an eye on it. Now, let's also take a look at Treasure Global Inc., ticker symbol TGL, which is based in New York City. It is a publicly traded NASDAQ software application company with a $5.06 million market cap and 48 employees. Treasure Global Inc. is a Malaysian solutions provider that develops technology platforms. It provides consumers and merchants with instant rebates and affiliate cashback programs, and they provide e-payment solutions with rebates in both e-commerce and physical retailers and merchant settings. It also acts as a master franchisor in Southeast Asia for popular restaurant chains. Treasure Global Inc. was incorporated in 2020. Now, let's have a look at TGL's most recent news. Now, on February 23rd, 2024, this company also announced that back in January, its stockholders voted to authorize a reverse stock split of its common stock at a ratio within the range of 1 for 10 and 1 for 70, with the authority given to the board of directors of the company to determine the exact reverse split ratio and when to file the certificate of amendment with the Secretary of State in Delaware. The company's board of directors approved a 1 for 70 reverse split ratio and filed a certificate of amendment to its certificate of incorporation to effect that reverse stock split. Now, it's also worth noting that the company's stock float is just 710,000 shares. This is a micro float stock. Now, the reverse action of TGL stock went up 22% in after hours today, April 18th, 2024. And the price could potentially keep moving upward tomorrow if more volume or a news catalyst comes in. A continuation in price increase is very possible. We will be keeping an eye on that. As we said earlier, folks, if you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description. We pick a lot of bangers a lot of times. We are just made different, and the early bird gets the cash. By the way, we've also included that link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 380 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we determine our entry and our exit points on trades, how to read candlestick patterns, how we read key levels, how we use those critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you'll succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what works for us. So in conclusion, Zhongchao Inc., ZCMD, and Treasure Global Inc., ticker symbol TGL, are both publicly traded NASDAQ companies in the healthcare and software technology sectors, respectively. ZCMD and TGL are both companies that we will be watching. With the right increase in volume, we believe they could be conducive for momentum parabolic day trading. Now, will ZCMD and TGL run parabolic? They will both need volume, but who knows for sure? Of course, we would need to see continued volume before we would actually day trade these stocks. This is not advice, folks. We are not pros. It's just my opinion. And I will have ZCMD and TGL on my watch list. It's Double Moms, and I'll see all of you guys again on the flip side.